So, just getting back from gym and preparing something for recovering. I was trying one arm chin-ups using a rolling thunder. I have 94.5 kilos of body weight and not completely satisfied with my form. Couldn't hold it back to the dead hang. That's all. Also, there's other stuff. I was hitting rolling thunder lifts right hand even up to 104. Left hand somehow failed, but all good. And some others, one arm chins, 3 singles, and a little bit dips. That's all.